Hi everyone, we are in the Japanese Alps in the peaceful Kiso Valley far from the cities. Here you'll find a charming slice of old Japan, the quiet post town of Magome. Magome is a former post town in the Kiso Valley which served travelers of the Nakasendo, a major route that connected Edo, current Tokyo, with Kyoto during the feudal ages. We stayed in Nagiso and walked from there to Tsumago, then came walking to Magome, arriving in the early afternoon. However, it's a place you can enjoy without too many people if you arrive early. At the end, we will provide details on how to get here. It's winter, it's slightly cold, but the temperature is quite pleasant for walking. Occasionally, you'll come across ponds with koi fish. These fish tolerate low temperatures well, even when the water surface is frozen, by drastically reducing their mobility and respiration. However, they truly thrive and display their full choreography in a temperate habitat. The town has been beautifully restored with a wide stone walkway lined with wooden buildings and meticulously maintained foliage. The narrow main street is flanked by old residential houses with lattice windows, now converted into museums, tea houses, and souvenir shops. The entire scene makes you feel as if you've stepped back into the Edo period, hundreds of years ago. Magome offers a side of Japan that many travelers never get to see. A mountain town where water wheels spin slowly in front of ryokans, and where the gentle glow of sunset illuminates the cobblestone streets. In the distance, misty mountains create a picturesque backdrop, adding to the town's tranquil charm. Cats are a common and beloved presence. They are often friendly and curious, frequently coming out to greet visitors strolling through the streets. Although Magome and Tsumago are similar, it is said that while Tsumago has rugged authenticity, Magome is its beautified version. Both Tsumago and Magome were post stations on the Nakasendo route, one of 5 roads connecting Edo, modern-day Tokyo, with other towns during the Edo period. The Nakasendo linked Edo and Kyoto inland, passing through 69 post stations. Tsumago was the 42nd station and Magome the 43rd, nestled in the scenic route surrounded by mountains and forests. The hike between Tsumago and Magome covers about 8 kilometers and includes a height difference of around 400 meters. Along the trail, you can stroll through cedar forests, pass by waterfalls, rice and vegetable fields, and small villages, offering a glimpse into rural life. When hiking the trail, beware of bears. Use a bear bell, hike in groups, stay on the trail, and make noise to avoid surprising them. Store food properly, stay calm if you encounter one, and check for warnings at the trailhead. Avoid hiking at dawn or dusk when bears are most active. By the way, if you're interested, you can check out our video of Tsumago on our channel. In Magome, watermills are a picturesque feature that adds charm to the rural village atmosphere. These water wheels turn slowly, powered by flowing water from nearby channels or streams. Historically, watermills played a crucial role in grinding grains and other local industrial processes. Today, many of these water wheels are preserved as decorative and functional elements, contributing to Magome's traditional and peaceful atmosphere. Many traditional houses have been repurposed to preserve their historical charm. These houses, with their lattice windows and wooden structures, are now museums, tea houses, souvenir shops, and some traditional inns known as ryokan. Many shops in Magome sell local products ranging from ceramics to sake. You'll also find numerous cafes and noodle restaurants. These restored spaces not only give visitors the chance to experience traditional Japanese architecture and lifestyle, but also help to keep local culture and Magome's history alive. Magome is unique among post towns in Japan because it is situated on very steep terrain. The name Magome, written with the characters for horse and basket, is said to originate from travelers needing to leave their horses at inns due to the steepness of the road, making it difficult for horses to ascend. The steep terrain can be slippery, especially in winter when it may be frozen, so visitors should take care while exploring. For a scenic view of the town and its surrounding mountains, the Magome Observatory is a good spot. You can enjoy a nice view of the Kiso mountain range. The highest peak is Mount Ina, which is 2,191 meters high. Near the observatory, there is an old kosatsuba, which is a bulletin board to indicate the orders from the shogunate. If you enjoyed this video, don't miss the one featuring Magome in the snow. Also, if you have any questions, please write to us in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on notifications to keep you updated. It really helps us make more content. Here we provide the easiest route to Magome, but there are other options depending on your budget, schedule, and plans. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.